Hello kids, I hope you all are doing well. Today we have a new topic and our topic name is Evaporation and Condensation. Let's start our chapter. It's chapter number 7. Do you know where does the water go? From the puddles. The heat of the sun makes the water to heat up from the puddles and change into a vapor from and mix it with the air. हीट से क्या होती है, वाटर स्टीम में चेंज हो जाता है, वेपर में चेंज हो जाता है और वो मिक्स हो जाता है एयर में. वाटर इज चेंजिंग इन फॉर्म टू वाटर वेपर. वाटर किस में चेंज हो जाता है? वाटर वेपर में, यानी पानी भाप में बदल जाता है. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज एवापोरेशन. दिस इज हाउ टू वेट क्लोथ्स ड्राई अप एज द वाटर एवापोरेशन. इसी की वजह से हमारे गीले कपड़े सूख जाते हैं. इसे हिंदी में वाष्पीकरण कहा जाता है. Factors affecting the rate of evaporation. Many factors affect the rate of evaporation. They are as following. First one is temperature. The evaporation faster when there are more heat. जब बहुत गर्मी होती है, और other word we can say the evaporation is faster when the temperature is high. जब टेम्परेचर जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा होता है तो ये ज्यादा होता है. If we make two wet clothes of the some material and some size of put on the of them, they dry inside a room, and other the sun, the cloth outside in the sun dries faster. Sun dries faster than the one inside the room due to more heat temperature outside. हम कपड़े अंदर सुखाते हैं वो देर में सूखेंगे, और जो बाहर सुखाएंगे वो जल्दी सूख जाते हैं just because of sun heat या फिर temperature. Next one is wind. On the windy day, evaporation is faster. Blowing wind helps to evaporation. Moving wind absorbs water easily. If we take two wet clothes of some size and some material and put one in fan and leave the other to dry to another room with no fan, the clothes under the moving fan dries faster. जो पंखे के नीचे कपड़े होंगे वो बहुत जल्दी सूख जाएंगे कंपैरिजन ऑफ नॉन फैन वाले क्लोथ्स से. नेक्स्ट वन इज सरफेस एरिया. वाटर evaporates quickly if the absorbed surface area is large. To take two wet clothes of the same size and same material and fold one of them twice and spread out the other and allow them to dry. The clothes which is spread out dries faster. जो कपड़ा फैला हुआ होगा वो जल्दी ड्राई हो जाएगा. A comparison of non-fold. Now humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the air in particular space. जहाँ पर हवा में क्या होता है, पानी नमी मौजूद होती है, वो ह्यूमिडिटी है. When the amount of vapor in the air increase at the particular place, the humidity in the air increase. This is the reason that place near the sea coast have humid weather. जो seas के पास जो जगह होती हैं वहां पर humid atmosphere होता है. Now on cooling water vapors thrust into water, the process is known as condensation. In other words, we can say the change of weather vapor into water by cooling is called condensation. Now air conditioned water vapor. If we put some ice cube in the clean dry glass tumbler, then after some time we can see droplets of water of the outer surface of water. The water vapor in the surrounding air gets condensed on the outer surface of the thermal and takes a shape of tiny droplets. Now, dew. After a cold night, dew can be seen on the grass, on the leaves. Dew यानी ओस, वो हमारे leaves पर night के बाद में हम उसे easily देख सकते हैं. This is because the water vapor condense into drop of water due to cold in the night. Next one is mist. If water vapor in the air cools suddenly, the forms very fine droplets wetter than big drops of water. These droplets are small enough to float in air. Next is clouds. Water from different water bodies like lakes, rivers, seas, oceans, etc. gets enveloped from water vapor and rise up. When this water vapor reaches high up in the cool layers of air, it condenses on dust particles floating in the air. Next one is rain. When these clouds rise higher up, they get colder in the form of rain. Sleet. Sometimes raindrops falling down on the ground pass through by very cold layers of air. They get frozen into irregular pipes of ice. These falling crystals of ice are called and usually falls during thousand storms. It is form of big dark cloud when still block up into clouds. They by the wind, the crystal of ice join through big in size and round the shape. These ice balls comes down on the earth. We call this hell. Next is snow. When the air above is significantly cold, water vapor in the clouds freeze into minute crystal of ice, which are very light. They gather together and fall down in the form of puffs. It is called snow. इसको क्या कहते हैं हम? Snow. Now, water cycle. Thus, we see that water on land and in the seas changes into water vapor and goes up into the air due to evaporation. The water vapor in the air cools down from water and comes down again. The rain due to conditions. This process goes to constantly in nature. It is called water cycle. ये क्या कहलाता है? Water cycle. From this, our chapter has been completed. I hope you all are understood and enjoying this chapter. It's enough for today. Thank you.